Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford F-150 in an XL trim, powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency, and coming with the STX Appearance Package, giving you some unique accents, rims, and black interior cloth. Let's take a look inside. Looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with the black interior cloth, as I mentioned, can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle, you have two cup holders, as well as a 12-volt and USB and USB-C. Looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, trip information, driver assistance features and settings, fuel economy, eco coach, and comm screen. Can also go into further settings and information. Then moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, you have a navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels. And then it is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, and above that you have your camera view again, as well as your hazards and traction control shutoff. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls. Pretty simple, easy to use. To the left, you have your trailer brake controller and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. And then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right, you have a 12-volt as well as a USB and USB-C, and down below you have this bin with another USB and USB-C. Looking at your column shifter, that does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then onto your center console area, where you have two cup holders, large bin, and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, and I believe that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111, and have a nice day.